You step outside your apartment. Your neighbor suddenly grabs your hand. He looks emotional. You saved my life. You have never met this man. Before you can answer, someone behind you spits on the ground. He points straight at you. You destroyed everything I built. Two strangers. Same street. Same moment. One sees a hero. The other sees a monster. And both of them are absolutely sure they are talking about you. You stand frozen on the sidewalk. Your neighbor keeps thanking you. His eyes look sincere, like you actually changed his life. But the other man keeps staring, pure hatred, like you ruined his future. You try to remember them, nothing, no memory, no connection, just two completely different reactions to the same face. Your face, you slowly step away, your brain searching for logic, maybe coincidence, maybe misunderstanding. Then you reach the elevator. A woman rushes in before the door closes. She looks at you. Her face turns pale. She presses herself against the wall, like you are dangerous. She whispers one word. Monster. Now 3 people, 3 completely different reactions. And the day has barely started. You leave the building. The street feels different today. People are looking at you, not normally, not casually. Some stare like they recognize you. Others avoid eye contact completely. You walk into a small cafe. You have never been here before. The barista looks up. Her face lights up instantly. Hey, legend. Legend? She slides a coffee toward you. Free. You never ordered. Before you can question it, a voice behind you shakes with anger. You ruined my life. You slowly turn. A man at the corner table, hands trembling, eyes locked on you. He looks like he's been waiting for years, waiting to see you again, but you have never seen him before, not once. Hero to one person, villain to another, both completely certain. And suddenly, a strange thought appears in your mind. What if they are not seeing the same person? You step outside quickly. Your heart is racing. You pull out your phone, open the camera, look at yourself. Same hoodie, same face, nothing strange, nothing different. But when you look up, 2 teenagers across the street are pointing at you. They run toward you excited. Bro, that is actually him. Can we get a photo? Before you answer, the camera flashes. Selfie, taken. Your speech changed my life. Speech? You have never given a speech in your life. They thank you. They run away smiling. 5 seconds later, a security guard approaches. His voice is cold. You need to leave. Leave? You're not welcome here. You look around. Everyone inside the store is staring. Not like a fan, like a criminal. Same minute, same street, 2 completely different worlds, and something impossible is starting to feel real. You decide to test it. You stop the next person walking past. A random woman. Total stranger. Excuse me. She turns. The moment she sees you, her eyes fill with tears, recognition, relief. Oh my God. She hugs you tight. I thought you were dead. Dead? You gently step back. Who do you think I am? She looks confused. You saved my brother. Before you can ask anything else, another man walks by. He sees you. His face hardens instantly. You. One word, heavy with anger. You destroyed everything I built. The woman looks at him. He looks at her. Both confused. Because they are not seeing the same person. Then the woman asks a question that freezes the moment. Why does he hate you? You run home, lock the door, open your laptop, search your own name. The results appear. Your stomach drops. Article 1. Local hero saves 3 children from a burning house. Photo. Your face. Article 2. Businessman charged in massive fraud case. Photo. Your face. Article 3. Motivational speaker goes viral after inspiring speech. Photo. Your face. Article 4. Man wanted for destroying investor companies. Same face. Different lives. Different histories. Different reputations. All connected to you. But none of them are your life. You scroll faster, trying to understand. Then you find a strange video buried deep in the results. Title: Nobody has ever met the real you. You click. The screen goes dark. A simple doodle character appears. The narrator begins. Nobody sees the real world. Everyone builds a version of it. The doodle splits into several copies. The narrator continues. Every person who meets you builds their own version of you. Their past shapes it. Their fears shape it. Their memories shape it. So nobody meets the real you. They only meet the version they created. The doodle splits again. Hero, villain, stranger, legend, enemy. Same drawing, 5 different realities. The narrator pauses. Most of the time, these versions stay separate, inside different minds, inside different worlds. But sometimes something strange happens. The doodle shadows begin moving toward each other. Sometimes the versions start colliding. And when that happens, reality struggles to decide which one is real. The video suddenly ends. Your phone vibrates immediately. Unknown message. 2 words. Now watch. Your phone rings. Unknown number. You answer slowly. A calm voice speaks. You noticed it today. Your hand tightens around the phone. Who is this? Someone who learned the truth earlier than you. What truth? The voice pauses. You are not one person. You are many. You shake your head. That makes no sense. The voice responds calmly. Have you ever met someone who loved you instantly? Yes. Have you ever met someone who hated you instantly? Also, yes. That is not personality. That is not chemistry. That is different realities. Every opinion someone forms about you creates a version of you in their world. And right now, those versions are multiplying too fast. You feel your chest tighten. What happens next? The voice answers quietly. They start meeting each other. You step outside again. The street is crowded. But something feels different. People are watching you again. Then it happens. From the left, a young boy runs toward you, smiling. You saved my dad. At the exact same moment, a large man grabs your collar. Hard. You ruined my life. Both standing there. Same moment, same place. The boy looks at the man, confused. Why are you hurting him? The man looks at the boy, angry. Why are you defending him? Both turn to you, waiting. And you suddenly understand something terrifying. Reality is about to choose which version of you survives. Your phone vibrates again. 1 message. Choose now. 3 options appear. Become the hero. Become the villain. Disappear from everyone's reality. Your heart is pounding. The boy is watching you. The man is still gripping your jacket. The street has gone silent, like the world paused, waiting. Your thumb moves toward the screen. You finally tap 1 option. But before anything happens, the screen suddenly changes. New message appears. Too late. You look up. The boy is gone. The man is gone. The entire street is empty. Only one thing remains. A police siren echoing in the distance. And suddenly, you realize something horrifying. Reality already chose. And it chose the version of you they feared the most. Somewhere right now, someone is watching a completely different version of this story. If you want to see the next reality, then subscribe now because the next POV might show a version of you that you never want to meet.